Hey, welcome back to another episode of OTA Update. Today we're looking at something special for those PlayStation fans out there. This is the official PlayStation licensed neon light by Paladone. It comes with 4 color LEDs and 3 lighting modes: standard light, color phasing, and music reactive. I'll show you what all these mean later. If you see my other videos, you know I like good looking LEDs. Now let's open it up and take a look. We have some instructions here, but that's not what we're here for. The light is powered by a Microusb cable, so includes one of those. There is no power brick however, but it will work with any standard wall adapter or a backup battery. And last but not least, obviously the neon lights. Let's just take them out of the plastic there. And yeah, here we go. This is everything you get in the box. Now let me tell you, this thing looks awesome in the daylight, even without the neons on. Here are some front shots, and honestly, I didn't know these were the exact shade of the color, but they're very vibrant colors, which is perfect. The light is made out of plastic construction, but nothing fragile. Here's a shot of the back, which is black as they house the forward-facing LEDs, with a USB port in the center and a hole for the microphone between the X and the O's. Let's grab the supplied standard micro USB cable, nothing special here. One end goes into the back of the light, just like that. And the other end to a wall adapter or a backup battery as I have here. On the side there's a single button to cycle through the lighting options and an off mode. And now let's turn it on. First is always on. The light always stays on. Second is phasing, which is fading from one color to the other. In real life the fade is very smooth, the flicker is just caused by the camera. The third is music reactive. The light will listen to the sound in the room and blink to any music or gameplay sound in the room. Last click turns it off. This neon light is just fun to have. It looks good whether it's on or off or bump into your music. And of course I have to show you some low light shots as well. Here are some shots against my Aurora lights and my letterbox. And that's about it. The neons look great on your shelf, on or off, reacts to your music, and everything under $45. Check out the links in the description below if you're interested in picking one of these up. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next episode of OT Update.